Introduction to guided meditation apps.
Guided meditation apps make it easy for anyone to start a mindfulness practice at home. They offer step-by-step sessions led by recorded instructors, helping you relax, focus, or manage stress. In this guide, we'll show you how to choose an app, set up your profile, and find the perfect beginner-friendly session to get started.
Choosing the right meditation app.
There are many meditation apps available, such as Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer. Look for apps with a variety of guided sessions, beginner programs, and positive user reviews. Many apps offer free trials, so you can explore their features before committing. Choose an app that feels welcoming and easy to navigate for your first experience.
Setting up for your first session.
After downloading your chosen app, create a profile to personalize your experience. Most apps will ask about your goals, like reducing stress or sleeping better. Answer these questions honestly, so the app can recommend suitable guided meditations. Set your preferences for reminder times and session duration to build a consistent routine.
Finding and starting a guided meditation.
Browse the app's library for a beginner meditation or an introductory mindfulness session. Look for tracks labeled as Getting Started or Basics. Choose a session that matches your preferred length, often 5 to 10 minutes. Find a quiet space, put on headphones if you prefer, and start the audio. Simply follow the instructor's voice.
Customizing and building your routine.
Most apps allow you to save favorite sessions or set daily reminders. Explore extra features like background music, progress tracking, or mood journals. Experiment with different instructors and types of guided meditations. As you get comfortable, adjust session lengths or try new themes, such as gratitude or sleep, to keep your practice enjoyable.
Tips for staying consistent.
Begin with short, daily sessions to build the habit. Set reminders in your app to practice at the same time each day. Celebrate small milestones, like completing your first week. Remember to be patient with yourself. Developing a meditation practice is a journey. Apps often offer encouragement and streak tracking to help you stay motivated.